In this video, we will be showing you the installation process for the Upright GNX range of fridges and freezers. When locating a space, make certain that the top of the unit has at least 50 centimeters of clear, unobstructed ventilation area. The ideal setting for the unit is one that has air conditioning, or at the very least, one that has lots of open space and airflow. Thank you for watching. Please also watch our other videos for useful information and instructions.